Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today Tricky is preparing lemon rice, which is a popular South Indian rice dish. It has the flavor and taste of freshly squeezed lemon juice as well as the flavor and taste of the tempering spices. It goes well with a potato side dish, papad and fried chilies as you can see on the bite shots, and is quick to make. So let's get straight to the ingredients. Method: heat oil in the pan over medium heat. Drop in the mustard seeds, urad dal and chana dal. Note, the oil must not be too hot, else the ingredients will burn. Then drop in the dry red chillies and the peanuts and fry. Drop in the ginger, green chilies and the curry leaves. Continue to fry. Drop in the Asafoetida and the onions. Saute for a couple of minutes until the onions turn light brown. Drop in the turmeric powder and the salt. Lower the heat and fry for a couple of minutes. Drop in the cold boiled rice and gently mix. Important note, the boiled rice must be cold in order to get a grainy finish. Next, add in the lemon juice to taste and mix. Garnish with green coriander. Add aromatic salt to taste. Mix and simmer for a couple of minutes. Finally, as mentioned before, serve with a potato side dish, papad and fried chilies, or any other accompaniment of your choice. Thank you for stopping by. Do give this recipe a try, have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. If you liked the simple and easy recipe, be sure to like, share and subscribe to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy.